Let's get started with the basic commands of the Docker. Open the command prompt. Also initialize the Docker desktop. First one is the Docker info. Docker info will provide you the information of the Docker version, like which version it is, what are the configuration of the Docker which you are using. Okay. Now if you want to you want to see if any container is running or not in the Docker, or any container is active or not, then you have to check Docker PS. Right now no container is active. If you want to check which are all the containers which are active or which were active and right now they are paused, you can use Docker PS -A. These are all the, we can say, the Docker containers which were active earlier. Now you can see status is exited. Okay. Let's try by running some dummy image. Hello world is the dummy image which you can run it. How we will run the image? Docker run hello world. Now our image has been running. If you want to check whether this image has been run, you can see this image has been executed around 11 seconds back. A container has been created. Here is the container ID. Okay, this is the image which we have used to create the container. As I told you, image is the blueprint. Using the image, we can create the multiple containers. So right now we have created the container this using the image hello world. Earlier also I have created the container using this same image. Now you can see the name of the container is this. This is the name which is randomly provided by the Docker. Now if you want to check which all images are available in your desktop, or you can say your local system, then how we will do Docker images. So right now two images are there, hello world and the ngInx. Right now we have used the hello world only. ngInx we will use it later on. Now let's try with the real image, the which we were talking about, ngInx. ngInx is the image which we can use. Okay, we can do some experimentation. You don't need to go in the detail of this image. Just we are using this image to create the container. That's all, and how Docker works. So what we have to do, Docker run ngInx. If you use this command, then this image will be executed, but it will show you the real execution. But if we want to use the execution in the background, if we want to execute the image in the background, okay, if we run this, then we will see the logs in real time. But if we want to see, like if we want to run this in the background, then how we will do that? Okay, first try to run this in the normal way. Right now it is running, and you can see we are not exited from this execution. So how we will exit? Use Ctrl Z. Sorry, Ctrl C. Using the Ctrl C, you will get exit. But running like this is not the good practice. You can always run the image in the background. How we can do that? Just add the -D. Now our image is running in the backend. New container has been created using this image, and that container running in the backend. If you want to check whether this has been running, then you can use this Docker PS. This is running in the background right now. Okay. For any doubts, you can freely ask in the comment box, or you can mail me. Thank you.